Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, welcome to A to Z with Zuri. Today we will be making a banana mango smoothie. First, we must wash our hands, but luckily my hands are already washed. Can you guess what this is, guys? Yes, it is banana. Can you guess what this is, guys? Yes, it is mango. Can you guess what this is, guys? Sticky. Honey! Yes, correct, it is honey. Can you guess what this is, guys? Cold! It is ice. Can you guess what this is, guys? Yes, it is almond milk. Instead of normal milk, you call it almond milk because it's milk that is made out of almonds. Hi guys, so now we're going to make our smoothie. Boop. Banana. Hey. All of it. All of you now. Mango. Right. Perfect save. Wow! Now, milk. So let's put down this patch. Did you like the cheers noise? They loved. Ooh, look at that. Look at those colors, vlog. White. The honey. Slow rising. Ooh, wait, no. Yeah. The honey sticking to the spatula. That's okay. A ginormous bowl of ice. When working with a blender, you need the help of an adult. My mom will watch me press this button. It's the gray one. It's really bubbly, guys. I'm gonna open this up, guys, and pour it in and try my delicious smoothie. Oops. I'm going to taste this now. It's tricking me. Mango-licious. Want to try, guys? It's mango-licious and I love it. Bye, now I'm gonna finish my smoothie. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Whoa.